Okay, so on to the next question. Given the right triangle FGH having a right angle at G, so we're giving a right triangle, we'll define FGH, and it's telling us at G there's a right angle. What is the value of cotan and the angle FHG? So the angle FHG is this angle. So we'll say this is theta. So cotan of theta is equal to what? So this is to know how to answer this question, you need to know SOHCAHTOA, and you need to know what is cotan. So let's start off with SOHCAHTOA. So we know SOHCAHTOA. There's just a mnemonic that tells you sine theta will equal opposite, so the opposite side, divided by the hypotenuse. So if we were just to look at this diagram for the angle theta in the diagram, the opposite would be GF divided by the hypotenuse would be HF. Similarly, cos is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, and then tangent is equal to opposite over, TOA is opposite over adjacent. So this will be tangent of theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. Knowing this, so we know tan is equal to opposite, so tan theta equal to opposite over adjacent. We know this will be useful in answering this question. We need to relate tan theta to cotan. The cotan is known to be the inverse of tan. So just defining cotan here, theta, is always the inverse of tan. So it would equal 1 over tan theta. And that's just the definition that you should just memorize. So cotan theta is equal to 1 over tan theta. So knowing this, we can right away see, okay, we have tan theta defined. We can kind of just substitute it into the cotan theta equation, and we find that cotan is adjacent over opposite. So the opposite side, so we have adjacent side over opposite side. So here, let's erase this. So we need to define cotan theta in terms of the diagram given. So we can say that cotan theta is adjacent, adjacent. The adjacent side is GH. So GH over here. And then the opposite side is FG divided by FG. And that's kind of our solution for cotan of the angle FHG. So whenever we have an angle FHG, as defined here, we're looking at the coordinate H, and we're looking at the angle that I've specified in the diagram, theta. So looking at the solution provided, given the FG, so they've driven out a diagram. So this, we use the same diagram. So this is given in the question. Cotangent of an angle is defined as length of base over the length of the perpendicular. So yeah, so the length of the adjacent over the opposite. So they have therefore cotan is FHG. So cotan equals GH over FG. So the answer is correct.